Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to this live stream. This is Dukas Copy webinar, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 7th of March 2023, and the day is Tuesday. I'm sorry about yesterday. I could not inform you in advance that I was not going to stream. Yesterday, it was unavoidable for me. I had to attend something of extreme personal nature. So who am I, guys? I am a Dukas Copies trading community member. Just like you are a trader, I am a trader. There's a community that exists in Dukas Copy Bank. So I'm a community member and I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Therefore, everything that I'm going to talk about here in this live stream, trading idea, opinion, whatever it is of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. And as an analyst, I already know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So, okay, I hope that now the volume is okay. So every piece of information is already into the chart. So we'll only be talking about what charts only. Okay, we'll not talk about anything else. So now what we'll be doing in this program, we'll be watching the charts and naked price action, I mean to say, and they will try to deduce the key levels, key areas from where the price can reverse its direction, either against the trend or in the direction of the trend. Well, we'll try to use it for our trading in the direction of trend most of the time. That's what we do every day. Okay, and if you are new to the technical analysis, please look for the chart patterns or candlestick patterns. You told us no webinar on Monday. Did I tell you? Okay, so that means there's no problem. Okay, good. So I'll say that if you are not aware of the chart patterns or the candlestick patterns already, then maybe you should Google it and look for it. If not, then you can search them in the playlist section of this particular channel, and you can search for two playlists. One is profitable candlestick patterns and the other one is the profitable chart patterns playlist. If you go through them, it will definitely help you in understanding when we talk about some patterns or something here in this program. I'll also be taking the questions from the viewers, so please ask the questions as much as possible in the chat. I'll try to answer all of them. Lastly, everything that I say in this live stream, it is only to enhance your knowledge. It has nothing to do with the live trading. Please do not trade live, and if you are convinced that this idea is good, then only go ahead with a small stop loss. I mean, keep your risk intact. Do not ever trade without a stop loss in the market, and you should do your own research before you put your money on the line, by the way. Okay guys, before we begin, as usual, we will go through the risk disclaimer. This is very important part of our trading webinar. So those who are new to the channel, they can consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. And if you have not smashed that like button already, please smash that like button. And after subscribing, if you click to the notification bell, you will get a notification in your inbox when I am live. All right guys, with this said, let us hop onto the chart. J4X. Wow, boom, it is right. Guys, see what is the level that it is trading. 105.37 and 105.39 is our approximate level where it should be getting resistance. Well, today it has made a high of 105.394. Can you imagine that? What was our level? Let me see. It cannot be better than this. Oh, our level is 105.393, guys. This is okay, just 0.1 pips above this 6th January high. No, it was 3911, so this was 393. Yeah, this is 394, so this is the level which it has reached today. High is 394. Yeah, so if this level is breached and we get a closing above this, then we can definitely reach 107.64. Now those of my friends who remember me talking about the US dollar like 2 days back, I was saying that although it has broken below this, I mean this rising channel, I'm not willing to sell this market because of this 103.65 holding. Now if you don't remember this, you can rewind, go to that and you see this is what intuition of an experienced trader tells you. So we are for some reason or the other going to 107.64 because this 50% of this fall here and a very good breakdown resistance is standing here. Then we have a channels resistance. So there are multiple reasons for us to go short, not at 105.32 but at 107.64. so we will be looking for a selling opportunity here. Right now if you are looking for a selling opportunity here, I cannot be with you in that because the structure of the market is up and I'll be looking for a selling opportunity at 107.64. but right now the price is trading at the resistance. 105.39 is definitely the resistance today. Let us see how the things unfold tomorrow or maybe day after, but as of now it is trading very close to resistance. The support is very far, 103.65, but these lows that the price has made after this low was after the price took off from this low here, they have made another low here, and now the price has since made a higher high than this one. So this low becomes more important now. So this low becomes more important because after this low the price has made this high. So 104.02 area is now the area of support for this market, guys. Euro dollar, okay, on the similar lines because the dollar is falling, so euro has to rise. Sorry, your dollar is rising, so the euro has to fall. So it is also very close to this I will say short-term support of 1.0565. Why I'm saying this is short-term support because we are actually expecting the price to move towards 1.020482 area, and this can only happen when the dollar index goes towards 107 area, right? We are expecting dollar to go to 107 area. In that case euro can fall all the way to 10482 and even further, but I am targeting this area because I think here the buyers should jump into to save the price action here. On the high side we have resistance at 1.0612 now, and this has been a very good support and resistance in the past, so expect this resistance to be tested tomorrow or day after. Maybe this is possible that 612 is tested before we see lower levels. Okay, in the Great Britain pound, well, we did not go to 1.212 this time and the price broke below 1.1926. Well, we had already told that we are looking for 1.1840. Those who think it's a joke, they have been wrong, I think, this time. And I'm even expecting a breakdown of 1.1840. Why? Because if the dollar index heads here towards 107.64, then pound is definitely going to breach 1.1840 and head towards 1.1644. So in that case you should be looking for a selling opportunity in this one, but only below 1.1840. right now there's no point in selling because it has already reached the area of support, so you do not want to risk your hard-earned money where you have a decent support in the short direction. All right, on the contrary, if you get a selling opportunity at the rise of 1.1926 for some reason, some magic, the price goes here, that can be our selling opportunity. Okay, this can be our selling opportunity. I mean, this can be a selling opportunity. And those who don't know why we were expecting 1.1840 and why not 1.2262, let me tell you guys, if you follow the market structures very closely, then you will understand this, how to predict the market's move. And if you know how to predict the market's move, which direction, if suppose you are hunting a deer, if you know that okay, deer most probably at this time will be here, so you can keep your sniper pointed in that direction, right? You can keep your sniper pointed in that direction where you are expecting the deer to be. So as soon as the deer arrives there, you pull the trigger, and when you pull the trigger, this is definitely a single shot kill. So why not to do that, okay, rather than taking all the shots and hitting nothing. So my point here is that why I am giving you this analogy is that you first anticipate. Now as I am anticipating the price to move towards 1.1926, it's like a catapult action. You pull it back and then it goes boom like this. So 1.1926, if I get this price, I think that will be a good area of resistance. Can anyone tell that how minimum amount we can draw from Lucas copy. I don't think that there is any minimum amount, my brother Kashif. Although this question does not have any relevance to the topic under discussion, but I don't think there is any minimum amount that you can withdraw, because I have withdrawn much lesser amounts, like even $10 or even less. So I don't think that there is any amount. If you have any questions, maybe you should ask from the Lucas copy support, please, Kashif. Thank you for joining, by the way. So the Australian dollar that we are talking about now, Australian dollar is at a very crucial support of 6600.6600. This is one is the psychological handles. Why 00 and 50 are called psychological handles? Okay, so it is at the psychological handle also, and this low that the price had made on 21st of November last year, this low read as 0.6584, and the price is very close to this low and these lows also, and also this 6600 has already been well tested, and this is actually a small range where I think yesterday actually I moved it from here to here, where I think that the price may be headed, and then it may find buyers here to push the prices up. Well, I'm not denying that it can even go further down, but somewhere here it has to make this shoulder for the inverse head and shoulder. Well, this can line up with the dollar index going to 107.64. In that case, the price I think will go much deeper than I'm thinking and then pull up. Okay, I hope you get my idea that what I'm trying to say here. If the dollar index keeps rising, then this can even go further, almost 200 to 300 points, somewhere here. So let us see how the things unfold about Australian dollar. But right now the support is at 0.6584 and the resistance is at 0.6668 in the Australian dollar. New Zealand dollar is making lower highs, lower lows after breaking from this double top and testing the neckline. This has been only going down and down. The next support is 0.6060. The resistance is at 0.6155. This broken channel on the higher side is trying to give some support, but tomorrow if we see any follow up below this low of this today's candle, then we definitely are going to check 0.60601 once in this market. On the upside, 0.6155 will be acting as a resistance, and after that 0.6190 is a huge resistance. And also see the price has already breached through the low. This low was sitting at 0.6130 and the price has made a low of today 0.6122. So the stop losses below this low have been taken out, so there is more sell off pending in this market. Maybe USD JPY, well, it is headed towards the resistance of 137.67. that is the next level that we are looking for. And here on the way down we said that 135.36 can offer some support, and it did offer some support. Now the next level of resistance will be 137.67. but how reluctant you see the dollar is against yen. It is not even able to breach this previous high that the price had made, and 137.67 looks very far, like almost 80 pips from here. So well, a break and retest of that level as the fresh support will give me a reason to buy this market with a longer term horizon. Right now I am not willing to buy this because the resistance is very close and the stop loss in this case, which is very far. So I don't think that I will be entering the long at the current levels. My stop loss is almost 160 points and my take profit is only 80 points. So 2:1, I am not going to enter this. USD CAD, I am bullish on this one. Well, when I am bullish, oh, it has already moved like 200 points from the 135.02 levels. So after breakdown from here, breakout from here, we were expecting the price to come back. It did not come back. Then after this it came down, but no, it is just going up. Well, when it is going up, I can just anticipate that the brand should be going down, or otherwise it is just the US dollar is going up. But in any case, it has already taken out all these highs now, and now the next high that it is looking for is this high, and maybe most probably 1.3832 area. So this is what we are targeting about. Now what you can do, guys, on 1 hour you can look for some boom You can look for some price action like this, okay, and as soon as this falling channel breaks, you can look for a buying opportunity in the USD CAD with a target of 1.3832. I hope you understand, because we have been doing this like every day. Okay, USD CHF. I am a seller in the long term, but I'll not be selling at the current position because I'm looking for a very decent price, that is 0.9480 area. This is a very decent price from where we can be looking for a selling opportunity. It can extend to 0.9546 also, but I think I'll be short at this position with a small stop loss higher. Or otherwise, you can say that on the daily, why don't we just make a channel, okay, and then look for this channel to break to the downside. I think that is even much better scenario. I'll not be tempted by these green candles to go and buy this market, because in the long term this market is going to get sold. So 0.9480 area I'll be keeping my eye on. That is actually now the resistance level, and the support is 0.9372 and 0.9271 in this market. Silver, well, we were buyers of silver, but this day has changed everything. This day has changed everything. Most probably, if somebody was buyer in silver, sorry, if somebody was buyer in silver, his stop losses have already been triggered. So what you can be doing now, well, I think you should be looking for a selling opportunity. Let the candle close below this, and then look for a selling opportunity near 20.37. But I will not be very happy to sell this silver even at the current position. I will tell you why. I think for some reason, deep down in my heart, I think that there are still 12 hours and 11 minutes to close this candle, and I believe that there is a high probability that the price will rise and close above 20.37. Why I'm telling you guys this? Because even after this breach, this highs will support the price. Second thing, there was a fair value gap here, so this is a fair value where the price is being taken. Third, if you see the volumes, such a big candle and no volumes. Can you see that? The volumes are very less, 995, and here we have 1471. So the volumes are very less, and at the time of closing, if the volumes are not more than this one, then I don't think that I mean, if the volumes are not more than the previous one, I don't think that this breakdown will continue. So in this case, there is a possibility that 20.37 will hold as the price and push the prices up. Just a thought, guys, there is a possibility that the price will come up from here. Let us see how the things unfold. Talking about the gold, 1807 still stands as the support area. On the way up, actually there are resistances, but I think I must remove everything. This thing I should remove. Okay, so this was a resistance which after breakout is now trying to act as a support. That's it. Even if the price comes down, I think 1807 will again try to act as a good support. On the upside, 1845 is the immediate resistance. Now 1820, which the price is trading right now at, is the support. Brent, breakout and a retest maybe. This is possible, but this has also a chance of closing below 84.27, which is a crucial support for the Brent. Also, the volumes are not very high when the price has come down, so there is a high probability that the price will go up towards 86.91 again. And if you ask me, then 84.27 is the immediate resistance now for the price, and supports is at 80.39 area, which is very far. Well, USD ZAR has already taken the targets of 18.4996 and is still trying to go beyond that towards our ultimate targets of 19.3381. Now, those who don't remember, fine, but if you really want to check out, you can check out my previous webinars where I'm again and again pointing about 18.499 and 19.3381. And guys, this move is huge, you know. These points are like 4,380 points. Guys, This is not a joke. When US dollar starts moving against the South African rand, it is huge. And here is where we asked you to buy. So 9,000 points already and counting. Well guys, that's all for about the USD ZAR. 18.499 should now act as a support if the price goes up and starts coming down like this. Okay. Bitcoin, on the contrary, I was thinking that the Bitcoin is going towards 21,342. Even this was my title of 3rd of March. But somehow I am feeling like in this range, in this small range, there is buying here. In this small range, there is a lot of buying here. Let me pull up my volumes, because if the volumes are there, I think I will be able to make out what is happening. So you see, as soon as this low was breached, boom, again the buying was there. So that means somebody is targeting this area to open the buy positions. And also the volumes are increasing at the lower prices. That means there is more exchange of contracts here. So if the price starts rising from here, then where is the next level that it can go? 25,307 is the resistance, and support is 21,342 guys in this market. Euro JPY, I am a buyer, but this candle of today, I will take it as a consolidation or a recovery, whatever you say. And after this, I am expecting 146.72 in this market. There is no need to change your opinion about it, just looking at today's candle, no, because this is a weekly and monthly breakout to the upside. Expect 143.87 and then again 146.72 in this market. Euro GBP is in a buy now, because the price has come out of this channel falling and has entered in this rising channel. So every time the price comes to this channel slow now, will be acting as a support, and right now the price is trading at 0.8919. 0.8928 is the immediate resistance. Thereafter it is 0.8978. So keep an eye on these two levels when you go up. S&P 500, like I said, that when you go here, look for a selling opportunity. This is what you are looking for actually. And now the prices has been actually trading about within so many lines. So below this is at support, above this is at resistance. Even if it falls below, then 3993 is the support. But if it gives us a close below 3993, then 3885 is very far and can be seen as a very good target. And you can actually keep your stop loss very small in this case, because there are a lot of resistances on the way up. Whereas if because of some magic the price starts going up, then 4018, 4050 are the immediate resistances for this market. Euro AUD, we have reached 1.6. Well, we have reached 1.6 today, and yesterday's these highs, this high was around 1.5977. This is taken down. Yesterday high was not broken, but today even the high was breached, and very easy type of candle it looks like here. You see on the 4 hour it is only buy. So that means it is just buying, and if there are so many buyers at this higher levels, that means the price is headed towards 1.6242 in this market, guys. Talking about Ethereum on the similar lines of the Bitcoin, it is being bought at these highs which were broken last time, and also this low was taken down, and thereafter there was buying. This means there is a possibility that the price is going towards 1673 again, and on the downside we have a support at 1460. All the price is trading at 1555, which is also an important area of support and resistances. CAD JPY, it is falling. Why? I don't want it to fall. Actually, I want it to rise to 101.40, where I am looking for a selling opportunity in this market. Well, with that a selling opportunity, I will be targeting 94.63, and I'll keep a stop loss above 101.40. Till now the price is trading within this channel. I want it to break to the downside, and then I will enter the sell trade. On the upside we will keep a resistance, a stop loss above 101.408. This is it, guys. This is it. We are still in the zone. We are still in a zone where we have support and resistance very close, and actually I want some candle to look like this when it goes out of this channel, and then I'll be looking for a selling opportunity in this market. I hope guys you know now the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Please keep in mind to never risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. I'm sorry I did not cover more. If you have any questions, please let me know in the chat. I'll be trying to answer that question. But please press the like button if you find this analysis useful for you. If you have got any meaning out of it, do not forget to smash that like button. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing it. There are a lot of viewers and traders and analysts who share their opinions, especially Miha. I mean, he shares some good stuff, so please listen to him, understand it. See, the trading is a very slow process. It's a very slow process. Like, you have to take many years, many months at least, if not years, to practice and to command this skill. I will say this is a skill. So keep the patience. The patience is the key here. I'm telling you in advance. You just risk less than 1% of your capital so that you are not out of the market before you get to know how to trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Also, you can join the Dukas Copy Forex community, where there are so many things for Forex traders. The links are there in the description. I wish you and your family a very happy and good day. Thank you very much for sparing your time to be here with me. See you tomorrow at 16:30 GMT. That is same time on the same channel. Bye bye. Take care. Peace.